Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto world. Today we've got only two news articles to go through before we hit the end of the week. The first news article is relating to BlackRock and what they're doing for their institutional investors. And the second article goes on to talk about Polygon and how the decentralized apps on their blockchain network is skyrocketing. All that after this. Okay, so the first news article is BlackRock offer crypto for institutional investors through Coinbase Prime. Now, this is a good news article because it could catapult the amount of cryptocurrencies being traded and invested in dramatically. For those that don't know, BlackRock is the largest fund manager or the world's biggest asset manager. So this will have a lot of pull and a lot of bearing in the crypto space. The article goes on to say that BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, has formed a partnership with publicly traded crypto exchange Coinbase to make crypto directly available to institutional investors. Mutual customers of Coinbase and BlackRock's investment management platform Aladdin will have access to crypto trading, custody, prime brokerage, and reporting capabilities, according to a blog post that happened on Thursday last week. BlackRock said it has $8.5 trillion assets under management as of the second quarter in 2022, while Aladdin has more than 200 institutional users, including insurers, pensions, corporations, asset managers, banks, and official institutions, according to a Thursday note from Oppenheimer. Our institutional clients are increasingly interested in gaining exposure to digital asset markets and are focused on how to effectively manage the operational life cycle of these assets. Joseph Callum, I hope I haven't butchered that, global head of strategic ecosystem partnerships at BlackRock, said in his blog post. This connectivity with Aladdin will allow clients to manage their Bitcoin exposures directly and their existing portfolio management and trading workflows for a whole portfolio view of risk across asset classes. So pretty potent stuff if you're a big institutional investor and you're wanting to get into the market in a big way. It's perfect because the more the institutions get involved in this, obviously the greater the demand goes up for the individual coins that we're all holding, and hopefully we get to ride on the coattails of those big institutions as their purchasing power will certainly make the market more, or the individual coins more in demand. Second article today, before we finish up for the weekend. Now, I spoke about Polygon, if it wasn't last week, it might have been the week before, that it's doing a number of different things at the moment, so it's looking very positive. And this is just another news article that just states that the apps on Polygon have hit now 37,000, which is up 400% for this entire year. That is huge. So if you're a Polygon holder, if you're not a Polygon holder, maybe now might be a good time to get some. If you are, congratulations, because it's a very good news article. It just goes on to say that the Polygon team shared the figures via a Wednesday blog post, which was occurred from the partnered Web3 development platform Alchemy, noting that the figure represents the cumulative number of applications ever launched on both the testnet and the mainnet. So it's both, which is not too bad. It also noted that the number of monthly active teams, a measure of the developer activity on the blockchain, reached 11,800 at the end of July, up a whopping 47.5% from March. So there are a lot more new developers coming out now and using Polygon or Matic as their network and their blockchain infrastructure. The project team also highlighted a breakdown of the DApp projects, which notably showed that 74% of teams integrated exclusively on Polygon, while 26% deployed on both Polygon and Ethereum. And we've spoken in the past about how the Polygon system will work in conjunction with Ethereum, and hopefully make the Ethereum ones a lot easier to work and move with. The blog post stated the DApp usage on Polygon seen more than 142 million unique user addresses and 5 billion assets in management are secured, with around about 1.6 billion transactions processed on the network to date. Polygon CEO Ryan Watt was clearly pleased with the growth as he took to Twitter to note, "We're having quite a year at Polygon. And there's his tweet just there. The article does go into a bit more detail. I'll always link the articles in the description below, so if you want to go and read them yourself, please feel free to go and do that. That's it for this week. I hope you have an amazing weekend, which is only a day away. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow. If you don't like what I'm talking about, by all means, jot down below what you'd like me to talk about, and I'll see if I can make that happen for you. Have an awesome week. We'll see you in the next video in a couple of days' time when we have a look at the market cycle for the last 7 days. Until then, take care of yourself. Cheers.